Fellas, how y'all doing today, guys?
Pretty good. How about you?
Oh, I'm good, man. Look, guys, yeah, I'm glad you guys rushed on over here, man. I had to rip some of the bats out of the walls because I forgot to install the pipes, and
Like some AC lines too.
yeah, and I had another crew. They batted the house. They did, they did an all right job, but I had to take the bats out, and I was gonna put them in myself, but I didn't feel like getting dirty, and I figured I'd just call you guys, But yeah, I went out here and put the bats in the walls and forgot the pipes, and I forgot to run the wires, and then over here, look, they got some more walls, and I had to rip these bats out because they didn't have the wires in there, and then I had to install the water pipe. They said they need to have water running back here, and then just like over here, I had to get the blue pipe running to the wall and the red pipe, and then the same thing over here, guys. I had to run all these pipes and copper wire and whatever all that is. I don't know what all that nonsense is, so if you guys can replace the bats, I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, they getting on me about these damn pipes being installed. They don't even let me build a house anymore.
You gotta have them.
Yeah, I usually just install the pipes from the attic through the walls and do it after the sheetrock's up. By the way, guys, look, if y'all could catch that fire hole, because I had the red pipes running up there, and they said they needed the cold water to come through here too, not just hot water. So I went on here and added the blue pipe on there. I don't know, these damn plumbers, man. I don't understand why they just gave me hot water. I'm paying for the hot and the cold water, It's like,
try to get over any way they can.
I was like, come on, fellas, you gotta tighten up better than that. I mean,
they don't care, man. They don't care.
I'm like, come on. The pipe should have been done months ago. I can't be waiting on these guys. I gotta get my walls, and, my sheetrock. I keep holding up my sheetrockers, and my damn plumbers can't get the pipes in the wall. And then I gotta keep calling the coastal guys to come out here and put the bats back in the walls. It's like it's costing me money to have this done twice.
Yeah.
And I don't even know what to say, man. It's just
Taking care of, man. Don't worry.
okay, guys. Cause I just can't do my nerves, man. Good hustle, guys. I'm just. Yeah, I just can't believe it. They had nothing but hot water running in here, and I had to get the blue pipes installed. It's just I can't deal with it, man.
They don't care, man. Nobody cares.
I mean, how did they forget to run the water line pipes? I don't understand it, guys.
And it's color coordinated too.
Yeah, I can't believe this. I had the hot water here, the red pipe here, but they forgot to put the blue in there. I was like, it's ridiculous, guys.
Can't take nobody nowhere, man. Nobody cares anymore.
All right, guys. I appreciate the effort, guys. I'm sorry I had to rip all these bats off the wall. I can't deal with it.
Gotcha, man. We're gonna take care of you.
All right, fellas.
Be right when we're done, I promise.
All right, thank you, fellas. Hey, yeah, man. Look, I know y'all was just supposed to come here and put a couple of bats in, but as a kind of change of plans.
Yes, I can see that.
The guys who did the bats, man. I don't really care about how it looks, but with the homeowner wants the house to look a little bit. There's some spots missing, so we're gonna have to do a little walkthrough. And you guys do such beautiful work. And
Thank you.
well, I don't know who did these bats, man. I just hired anybody, and they just came and insulated it. And,
Like a tornado.
yeah, I mean, I was thinking like right here, they got a big old country-size gap up there. Maybe I could just shove some insulation up there. Yeah, and over here, it looks like the bat's about to fall out the ceiling. If y'all could maybe just put a couple of staples in there, because I know y'all had to shove it up there a few times.
Yeah, that shower head is right in the way.
And, it's insulated. And for those that don't know, if you want professional, man, you might want to call these guys, because these guys are they're pretty damn good, man. This is like amateur work, you know. Yeah, and, you know, if you can straighten out those bats where it's got all that daylight shooting through there, and you know they missed the whole spot there. Actually, the plumber might have pulled that out. I'm not sure, but
it gets better.
okay, yeah. I'm not too sure about these walls. If y'all could just straighten them out, maybe stick a little unfaced over. That's a pretty. He was a little off on his cut there. You know, maybe should use a measuring tape or something. You know, and you guys don't need it, but these guys, whoever did the bats, probably can.
Could have used one.
Yeah, and look, they missed the whole spot there. You can insulate that, and then they missed the spot above the door there. And they got another spot over here missing. If y'all can insulate that for me.
A little bitty gap.
And the homeowner's not too crazy about these bats being cut sideways. If y'all can straighten all that out for us.
Yeah, that is crazy.
I'm kind of speechless on that. And you see all that daylight shooting through there. When you have professionals, man, you shouldn't see the daylight like that, you know. If you watch these guys work, you're not gonna see that when they do the job. But if you hire just anybody to do bats, you're gonna have daylight all through the walls.
Yeah, when they do stuff like this, that's a dead giveaway.
Mm-hmm. That's guys that don't really know what they're doing too well. Cuts are being a little too short. And, you know, like you say, if you just want it insulated, you know, then it doesn't matter. But if you want a professional job, you want the right guys doing the job.
Yeah.
Well, look, oh, there's another spot that they missed. I'm gonna need you guys to catch. It's kind of over here. I'm trying not to look at these walls, man. It's just, it's like actually depressing to look at them. And look, they got a knee wall that just kind of just shoved up there. Oh my goodness, you guys gonna be here all day, you know? It's like, come to think of it, they didn't even do right here. It's part of the common wall. That's pretty important to insulate right here. If y'all can catch them top cuts and maybe the little 1-footers, and another thing, these tees, y'all can insulate these. They skipped every single one of them, it looks like. Yeah, I mean, I appreciate it. If you guys can maybe get some bats on the walls for me, it's like, I mean, I really personally don't care too much as long as it's insulated, but there's just way too many gaps in this house.
They love to turn them bats sideways.
Yeah, guys, I mean, not to throw anybody under the bus or anything, but I need professionals, man, not amateurs hanging my walls and ceilings, you know.
After this, I'll throw them underneath the bus and then back over them.
I'm like,
I'll take care of this for you too.
I didn't even see that, but oh my goodness. Yeah, that was one of the things he was talking about. Okay, we'll shove some unface up there or something. Yeah, look, there's even a gap down here. I'm not even looking for them. I just happen to see it.
It's everywhere.
You know, it's oh my goodness. I mean, if I really...
We can spend the rest of the day here fixing stuff, I promise you.
I mean, it's just unbelievable. I guess I'm just gonna have to start tightening up on these guys and... oh my goodness. This is... yeah.
Show some face.
You know what, guys? I'm just gonna go lay down. Oh my goodness, guys! Just please fix my job, man. It's all messed up, man. Thank you, fellas. Oh my goodness! I gotta lay down, guys.